Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to swap an expired Apple Pay card. First, gather the new card's number, CVV and billing ZIP, because the bank will need them to verify you. Open Wallet now and tap the plus sign to add a card. Follow the camera scan or enter details manually. Once done, make sure your Apple ID is signed in and the device has an internet connection. This allows Wallet to communicate with your bank for instant verification and prevents delays. After adding the card, you'll be prompted to verify with your bank. Follow the SMS code, email link, or the bank's app authentication so Apple Pay can activate the card. Once verified, set that card as your default if you want it used automatically for purchases. Also enable Face ID or Touch ID for secure payments and double-check the billing address. Banks reject mismatched info, so correct details ensure smooth merchant authorization. Finish by testing Apple Pay with a small contactless purchase or view the card in Wallet to confirm active status. This verifies both authorization and network connectivity. Then remove the expired card from Wallet so you don't accidentally select it. If Apple Pay still shows the old card or the new one won't verify, update iOS, restart the device and try re-adding. If that fails, call your card issuer. Bank holds, mismatched info, or verification delays are the most common issues, and they can clear it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.